Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Etsy to Omnisend so that your Etsy customers or leads automatically sync into your Omnisend email SMS lists, even though there is no built-in direct integration. So we will use Zapier, right? And that's the easiest and no code required way. So as I told you, we will use Zapier as a connector between Etsy and Omnisend. At first, you will need to prepare accounts, one on Zapier, one on Etsy, and one for Omnisend. And after that, you will need to get your Omnisend API key. So just log into Omnisend and then just go with the settings or gear icon, then just copy the API key. So you can create it or copy it. And you will need this for Zapier, right? And now you will need to build the Zap. So go back to Zapier and then go with create Zap, or just go with the option start from scratch, click it, and right here you will need to search for Etsy as a trigger just from here. So go with the search bar, look for Etsy and select it, and then just sign in with your account and choose the trigger events afterward, like new order, new customer and buyer, or new transaction, etc. Then just go ahead with action right here and set the Omnisend as it. So set Omnisend as the action. So just look for it. Okay, so that's one, just select it, and right here we'll need to choose the action or the action event, like create subscriber or send customer events. And after that, just connect your Omnisend account using the API key. So go with sign in and sign in with your account, then use the API key that you already copied. And after that, you will need to test the action. And once finished, you will need to turn on your Zap. So enable the Zap to make it alive. And to do that, you will need to go with test run and then just publish. Alright. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.